down, turn away now. Boil all done. Welcome back, everyone, to our Tootsie Meal. It's your I need my toffee. That's better. Welcome back. This morning I'm making waffles. 40 waffles. 40 with your muscles better. And we need 1 cup of waffles. Now 1 scoop of protein. We'll make the milk instead of water. A total cup. It's a body really tiny. We'll put the ingredient. Lastly, a dash of cinnamon.
That's enough.
And a drop of vanilla. Okay, now we mix it up. Oh, we got the oil. We are doing use coconut. Let's get some help. Done with the mixer. Wait, the mixer is in the pantry.
Come on.
I'm making. Oh no, shoot it. Yeah, our milk.
Oh gosh. No!
This is hard work. Toffee break. Child diving. This side or this side? This side? There. And then 2 sides. Another toffee break. Wait, there's no toffee in it. What are the things coming out? Transportation. And it's so green down when it's done. Don't pull yourself.
Ready? Ooh. What are you gonna put on your waffle?
I don't know. Chilla? Off your chili butter. Now someone say rip out chilla. Can I open it? That's a little bit. Is that a little bit? Oops, too much. Oh well.
Sebastian, what do you want to do when you grow up?
Make waffles. I'm too little to touch it. My food. Now let's try it. Wow, this is amazing. I should much really. Wow! Oops, we got to play. Turn Holly Plum.
Like bounty?
Thanks for sitting with me. Till next time.